is he? Who is he? He is a pilot. He is a pilot. What do you see? What do you see? I see a fish. I see a fish. Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt? On my knee. On my knee. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Joe. My name is Joe. How old are you? How old are you? I am 6 years old. I am 6 years old. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Japan. I am from Japan. What time is it? What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. How are you? How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am reading a book. I am reading a book. Where is the cat? Where is the cat? The cat is under the chair. The cat is under the chair. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? My favorite color is red. My favorite color is red. What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? I like to eat pizza. I like to eat pizza. Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog. Where is my bag? Where is my bag? It is on the chair. It is on the chair. Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream? Yes, I like ice cream. Yes, I like ice cream. What is this? What is this? This is a bowl. This is a bowl. How do you go to school? How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. What day is today? What day is today? Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? My best friend is Jane. My best friend is Jane. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? I am wearing a red short. I am wearing a red short. Can you ride a bicycle? Can you ride a bicycle? Yes, I can ride a bicycle. Yes, I can ride a bicycle. How many sisters do you have? How many sisters do you have? I have one sister. I have one sister. What color is the sky? What color is the sky? The sky is blue. The sky is blue. What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is the cat. My favorite animal is the cat. Can you swim? Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Yes, I can swim. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 11 o'clock p.m. I go to bed at 11 o'clock p.m. What is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is an apple. My favorite fruit is an apple. How do you feel? How do you feel? I feel happy. I feel happy. Can you draw? Can you draw? Yes, I can draw. Yes, I can draw. How many fingers do you have? How many fingers do you have? I have 10 fingers. I have 10 fingers. Can you count to 10? Can you count to 10? Yes, I can count to 10. Yes, I can count to 10. Do you like to read? Do you like to read? Yes, I like to read. Yes, I like to read. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? I want to eat a sandwich. I want to eat a sandwich. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Do you like to dance? Yes, I like to dance. Yes, I like to dance. Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. Yes, I can speak English.